Welcome everybody to the Whole Circle Homestead. Today we're going to make some shiitake logs.
We're going to put some use to these maple logs that we cut down.
Come along and let's get started.
To cultivate our shiitake mushrooms, we're using our fresh cut maple log. You'll want something between 3 and 8 inches in diameter. Looks pretty good. Step 1 is to drill some holes, and then we'll inoculate our spores.
The first step we're going to do is drill a bunch of holes for the pegs which have the mycelium in it. We'll use a 5/16 bit and drill every 6 inches. We'll rotate the log, do the same thing, making a diamond pattern all the way along the log. It's time to inoculate our logs with our shiitake plug spawn. We got these from Field and Forest. This is not a paid advertisement. We are open to sponsorship. Give us a call. We're going to put our plugs in the holes and then cover it with food grade wax.
Explain to the audience what you're doing.
I'm just dribbling some wax on the top of the caps to prevent any wild spores from entering. Once you get all your plugs waxed, take a good look to make sure you didn't miss any holes or any plugs. We don't want any invasive fungus to get in here and ruin our logs. Next, we're going to go put them in the woods. This will be the new home for our shiitake logs. We're about 5 feet into the woods in the shade. We'll take the weed whacker and get rid of all this. We'll put some cinder blocks down and lay them down on the ground so they can inoculate nice. There you have it, our shiitake logs are done. The instructions call for 35% moisture. I just spray them down with the hose every now and then and roll them over, and hopefully next spring we'll have some mushrooms. Well, the shiitake logs are all done. I had more maple, so I also bought some oyster mushroom spawn, and in the back we have some wine cap mushroom. Hopefully those will come up this fall. Please like, comment, and subscribe and join the Wholesome Homesteader community. See you next time.
Those are tiny little holes.
Oh yeah, they're perfectly sized for this. Too cheesy?
No, that was good, but now it's cheesy.
All right.
Ready? Action.
Shiitake. Baby time out. Okay, try 2.